Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. So in the second video, I will tell you about scope of international financial management. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny Gisa Putri with NPM 234-11171 from class management 23C. Okay, so the first thing I will explain is the introduction of this material. The scope of international financial management covers all financial decisions and activities that involve cross-border operations. It includes managing international investment decisions, determining the best sources of global financing, and handling risks associated with currency fluctuation and global market volatility. This field also involves analyzing international financial markets, understanding global economic conditions, and evaluating how political, legal, tax environments affect business operation across countries. Additionally, the scope extends to managing working capital for multinational firms, optimizing cash flow across different currencies, and developing strategies to protect the company from international financial risks. Overall, the scope of international financial management ensures that firms can operate efficiently, competitively, and safely in the global economic environment. And then, international investment decisions. International investment decisions involve evaluating and selecting projects, assets, or business expansion in foreign countries. This area of the scope requires firms to analyze market potential, cultural and economic conditions, political stability, tax differences, and long-term profitability before committing resources aboard. Companies must compare investment opportunities across countries and assess risks such as currency fluctuation and government regulations. Successful international investment decisions help firms grow strategically and strengthen their presence in the global market. And the third is international financing decision. International financing decisions focus on determining the most efficient and cost-effective ways to obtain funds from global capital market. Firms can choose financing sources such as international loans, global bond markets, or foreign equity offerings. This decision requires comparing interest rates, exchange rate trends, transaction policies, and regulatory environment across different countries. By selecting optimal financing structures, companies can reduce capital costs, increase financial stability, and support long-term international operation. Management of foreign exchange risk. Managing foreign exchange risk is a major component of the scope because currency values fluctuate unpredictably and can significantly affect the firm's revenues, expenses, and overall financial performance. Companies must identify exposure to transaction, translation, and economic risks that arise from dealing with multiple currencies to protect financial outcomes. Firms use strategies like hedging with forward contracts, futures, options, and swaps, or by matching currency inflows and outflows. Effective exchange risk management ensures greater financial stability in global operations. And then international working capital management. International working capital management deals with controlling short-term financial resources such as cash, receivable, payable, and inventory across multiple countries and currencies. Because each country has different banking systems, payment practices, and financial regulations, companies must carefully coordinate their working capital to avoid liquidity issues. Managing international working capital helps firms maintain smooth operational activities, reduce transactions costs, and ensure that foreign subsidiaries can meet their financial obligations financially. Analysis of international financial markets. Analyzing international financial markets is another important element of the scope, as these markets provide opportunities for investment, borrowing, and risk management. Companies must understand the structure and behavior of global money markets, capital markets, and foreign exchange markets. By monitoring global market trends, interest rate movements, and international capital flows, firms can make better decisions about where to invest and or obtain funding. This analysis helps companies identify favorable market conditions and manage financial risks more effectively. And then the conclusion is the scope of financial management covers a wide range of activities that help companies navigate complex global environments, from investment and financing decisions to working capital management, market analysis, and currency risk control. Each area is essential for sustaining successful international operation. By understanding and applying this concept, firms can enhance their competitiveness, seize global opportunities, and maintain financial stability despite uncertainties in the international economy. I think that's all my explaining about scope of international financial management, and see you in my other video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.